guys, good evening or good morning. It depends when you are watching us in the morning or in the evening. You are welcome anytime in our channel TechZone. Vielleicht von Deutschland herzlich willkommen, for Italian benvenuti, for French enchanté, for Spanish hola. Today we're gonna speak about a new mining app program. It's called Sindbad. But first, if you want to know how to register or if you have any problem with your registering, just join our Telegram group. I will reply you. Please don't forget to make subscribe and like on the channel. So Sindbad network, it's a Turkish program. All you have to do to mining, just go down and join on social network and go up back and start to make selling. Collect gem and it's directly work. As you see, we have here wallet. It's a start now. They have also a buy network, and as you see here, this is my balance from Sindbad and the gum. In profile, you will find a wallet history and KYC. KYC is coming soon. They already also have a website. As you see here is a partner Buy Network and Buy Wallet and the Sindbad token and as you see the other. For the white paper, it's also small. As you see here, it's 100 trillion total supply, max total supply, and they're not assuming anything about the community distribution. And I don't know why, but it's not important at all. It will take time, long time, to mining this coin because it's a high amount of total supply. They like to do it like Buy Network and B Network, a project for 5 years or something like that. So don't get boring when you are mining this coin. I will let for in description box the referral code. If you like, you can join it and start mining with us. For now, I can say to you that's all about Sindbad Network. And if you have any questions, just ask us in our Telegram group. And goodbye.